This is a 1993 Bugatti EB110, once a symbol of speed and engineering brilliance, now left abandoned and covered in dust, its paint faded, its engine silent, its presence almost forgotten, but beneath the decay, the soul of a legend still remains, waiting to be revived. The process begins with a careful inspection, every inch revealing signs of age and neglect, bolts seized, panels worn, the iconic blue body stripped down piece by piece, each component removed with precision, exposing the raw mechanical core, years of grime slowly cleaned away, revealing the intricate craftsmanship hidden underneath. The heart of the EB110, its quad-turbocharged V12 engine, is dismantled with extreme care, each part restored, polished, and rebuilt to its former glory. The gentle sounds of tools, the smooth rotation of parts, every motion deliberate, every detail important, as the engine comes back together. The body undergoes transformation, sanding away imperfections, preparing the surface for a flawless repaint, layers of deep blue applied with perfection, reflecting light like it once did decades ago.